Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. AWS AppSync is a fully managed service that makes it easy to develop GraphQL APIs by handling the heavy lifting of securely connecting to data sources like AWS DynamoDB, Lambda, or even HTTP endpoints. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set up a basic GraphQL API using AWS AppSync with Python as the client language. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. Sign into the AWS Management Console. Go to AWS Management Console and sign into your AWS account. Navigate to AWS AppSync. Search for AppSync in the AWS Management Console search bar or find it under the All Services section. Click on it to enter the AppSync dashboard. Create a new API. Click on the Create API button to create a new GraphQL API. Define your data model. You can define your data model by adding types in the Schema section. For example, create a data source. Once you've defined your data model, you can create a data source. For this tutorial, let's use DynamoDB as the data source. Follow the prompts to create a table and connect it to your API. Define resolvers. AppSync needs to know how to interact with your data sources. You'll need to define resolvers to handle the queries and mutations in your GraphQL schema. Install required packages. You'll need to install the Boto3 and GraphClient packages using pip. Configure AWS credentials. Ensure that your AWS credentials are properly configured on your local machine. You can do this by either setting environment variables or using the AWS CLI to configure your credentials. Write Python code. Here's a simple Python script to interact with your AWS AppSync API. Replace your _AppSync endpoint with the endpoint of your AWS AppSync API. Run your Python script. Save the script to a file, for example, appsync_query.py, and run it using Python. You should see the response from your AWS AppSync API printed in the console. In this tutorial, you've learned how to set up a basic GraphQL API using AWS AppSync and interact with it using Python. This is just the beginning. You can explore more features of AWS AppSync like subscriptions, authentication, and authorization to build POW. AWS AppSync is a fully managed service that makes it easy to develop GraphQL APIs by handling the heavy lifting of securely connecting to data sources like AWS DynamoDB, AWS Lambda, or any HTTP data source. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use AWS AppSync with Python. Before you begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. 1.1 Open the AWS Management Console. 1.2 Navigate to the AppSync service. 1.3 Click on the Create API button. 1.4 Choose the Build from Scratch option. 1.5 Enter a name for your API, select a default authentication type, and click Create. 2.1 In the AppSync console, go to the Schema section. 2.2 Define your GraphQL schema using the GraphQL SDL syntax. For example, 3.1 In the AppSync console, go to the Data section. 3.2 Add a data source, such as AWS DynamoDB, and configure it according to your schema. 4.1 In the AppSync console, go to the Resolvers section. 4.2 Create resolvers for the query and mutation operations, linking them to your data sources. 5.1 Install the required Python libraries using pip. 5.2 Configure AWS credentials using the AWS CLI. Create a Python script to interact with your AppSync API. Execute your Python script to interact with the AppSync API. Congratulations! You've successfully set up and interacted with an AWS AppSync API using Python. You can extend this example by adding more queries, mutations, or integrating with other AWS services. ChatGPT. AWS AppSync is a fully managed service that makes it easy to develop GraphQL APIs by handling the heavy lifting of securely connecting to data sources like AWS DynamoDB, Lambda, or any HTTP data source. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set up a simple AWS AppSync API using Python as the backend language. AWS account. Make sure you have an AWS account. If you don't have one, you can create it here. AWS CLI. Install and configure the AWS CLI by following the instructions here. Python. Ensure that you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from Python's official website. Open a terminal and install the necessary Python packages using pip. Go to the AWS AppSync console, AWS AppSync console. Click on the Create API button. Choose a name for your API and select the region. Under Authentication Settings, choose the authentication type you prefer. Click Create to create the API. In the AppSync console, click on Schema in the left sidebar. Replace the default schema with a simple example schema. Create a Python script, example appsync_python_example.py, with the following code. Replace the placeholder values in the script with your AppSync API URL, API key, if using API key authentication, and AWS credentials, if using AWS IAM authentication. Execute the Python script. You should see the response from the AppSync API, which in this example should be the hello field. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a simple AWS AppSync API using Python. Feel free to extend this example by adding more complex GraphQL queries and mutations, integrating with different data sources, or implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms. ChatGPT.